In this video, I'm going to explain how do cashback credit cards work on Bank of America. I'm going to break it down step by step, and I'm going to make it so that even a 5-year-old can understand. Alright, so let's go ahead and actually start. So let's start off with number one is the card itself. So when you buy something like groceries, gas, or even online products, you swipe or tap your Bank of America cashback card instead of using cash or a debit card. Then the bank pays the store for you. And then afterwards, you get a reward. So every time you spend money, the bank gives you a tiny bit back, like a thank you gift. Now, let's go ahead and go through some examples. With a card like the Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards, you might get 3% back on stuff like gas or online shopping. And basically, the money you get back is a percentage of what you spend. So let's say, for example, we do get 3% cash back. So if we spend $100 on gas, then you will get $3 back. And honestly, that's pretty cool. And the best part about it is that it actually does add up. That cash back doesn't come to you right away. It piles up in your account within the bank, kind of like connecting points in a game. And then at the end of the month or when your bill comes, you will see how much you earned with cash back. And once you got some cash back, like $25 or more, you can put it back into your Bank of America checking account like real money. You could use it to pay part of your credit card bill. And sometimes you can even get it as gift card for stores. So that's honestly really cool. Now, even though there's a lot of benefits, please remember that at the end of the day, this is a credit card. So you need to go ahead and pay back any money that you're using. You borrow the money from the bank to buy things. You have to pay them back every month for what you spend. If you pay on time, you keep the cash back and you don't get in trouble. Guys, I'm not playing around. Please don't be late when it comes to credit card payments. They really don't mess around. It will mess up your FICO score and stuff like that. So please just be very careful. And let's go ahead and go through another example just to make sure that everyone understands it. So let's say you spend $50 on groceries with the card. You might get $1 back if you do get 2% cash back, because $1 is 2% of $50. And think of it like a little bonus for using the card. It is basically the bank saying thank you for actually using their service. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.